Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we'll learn how to customize the Gridbox blog category layout. This is the page where visitors see all posts that belong to a specific category. With Gridbox, you have complete control over this layout. Before you start editing the category layout, make sure your blog contains at least 4 posts. This will give you enough content to work with while editing the layout. To open the Category Layout Editor, click the Settings icon and select Category List Layout from the drop-down menu. As you can see, this is the standard Gridbox editor, so you have access to the full set of Gridbox editing tools. By default, the category layout contains 2 plugins, Category Intro and Category List. Of course, you are not limited to this structure. You can build the layout any way you like. For example, you can create a 2-column layout, place the category list in the left column, and use the right column for additional content. You can add a search plugin, recent posts, tags, social media plugins, or any other Gridbox plugin. This gives you complete freedom to build a category page that fits your website and your content. The Category Intro and List plugins are the 2 core elements of the category layout. Let's take a closer look at how they work. The Category Intro plugin displays the name of the category you are currently viewing. It also gives you the option to show description and image. You can fully control the layout of these elements. Using drag and drop, you can change their order and decide how they are displayed to your visitors. This makes it easy to create a clean and well-structured category header. The Category List plugin displays the posts inside the category. It comes with a wide range of settings that give you full control over how posts are shown. You can choose the default sorting option, select one of 5 available layouts, and define the number of columns. In addition, you can decide which elements should be displayed or hidden for each post. And like any other Gridbox plugin, it also includes a large set of design options, allowing you to fully customize the appearance to match your website design. The Category List plugin also includes pagination settings. By default, it is set to display 10 posts per page. However, in this example, we only have 4 posts in the application. To properly see and configure pagination, you may temporarily reduce the number of posts per page to 3. This is only needed for testing. After setup, you can return to your preferred value. Inside the Category List plugin, you can choose from 4 pagination types. Default: traditional page numbers for navigation between pages. This is the standard pagination style most users are familiar with. Load More loads additional posts on button click. It keeps users on the same page and creates a smoother browsing flow. Infinite Scrolling automatically loads new posts while scrolling. This creates a continuous browsing experience without manual interaction. Load More and Infinite Scrolling, a hybrid option. It combines both approaches and gives more control over how content is loaded. Each option changes how users move through your content and controls the overall browsing behavior. Pagination can also be fully customized in the Design tab. It provides a wide range of styling options, allowing you to adjust how pagination looks and fits into your layout. It is important to note that the author layout and tag layout pages use the same structure and logic as the category list. The author page shows all posts by a specific author, while the tag page displays posts assigned to a selected tag. Both layouts inherit the same system, which keeps the structure consistent across all listing pages. With the category list layout, you can fully control how posts are displayed on category pages. You are not limited to a fixed structure. You can adjust layout, content display, and navigation behavior to create a clear and flexible browsing experience. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.